Imagine living in a city where nature flourishes not only in the bush, but also in our shared urban spaces and on rooftops. Imagine living in a city where not only your own culture, but that of your neighbors and your friends is celebrated through design, where our heritage is remembered amidst modern buildings and a vibrant atmosphere. Join me for this short taster lecture on designing cities of the future. Kia ora, I'm Crystal Olin, an academic in architecture at Te Herenga Waka, Victoria University of Wellington. With a background in architecture, urban design, and research, I have spent years exploring how we can design cities that are not only functional, but also resilient, inspiring, and empowering for their inhabitants. In the next few minutes, we'll look at how architecture, landscape architecture, and interior architecture shape our cities. We'll highlight some iconic urban designs around the world and here in Aotearoa, New Zealand, and discuss why sustainability, heritage, and cultural considerations are crucial for cities of the future. When I first moved from the United States to Aotearoa, New Zealand, I was struck by this country's potential to be a world leader in urban design and livability. Urban environments are complex systems where design disciplines intersect with each other and with other disciplines like planning, engineering, transportation, and surveying. Architecture focuses on buildings, landscape architecture on public and outdoor spaces, and interior architecture on the functionality and aesthetics of indoor environments. Each of these design disciplines plays a vital role in creating spaces that improve our quality of life. To create cohesive, successful urban environments, these disciplines need to work together. Buildings frame public spaces, and indoor and outdoor areas must be accessible and integrated. How do we create buildings and urban spaces that cater to the growing population and embrace innovation while also protecting our natural resources, our cultural heritage, and what our future generations will inherit? Research shows that cities designed with priority given to sustainability, inclusivity, and great public spaces can really improve urban living. A great example of this is Brooklyn Bridge Park in New York City, which transformed a previously industrial waterfront into an 85-acre urban oasis. It is a striking example of how an urban area can be revitalized and made accessible to everyone. The project, which began in 1988 and took nearly 25 years to complete, was shaped by the complex process of balancing the interests of various stakeholders. Today, the park offers a wide range of activities, making it a popular destination for families. The park's role in the revival of surrounding neighborhoods like Dumbo and Brooklyn Heights is notable. Once underused and neglected, these areas have seen a resurgence in activity and real estate development, spurred in part by the park's creation. Financially, this project stands out for its innovative funding model, which combines public funds with revenue from on-site development and special tax assessments. This approach has enabled the park to maintain high standards of upkeep and continue evolving without relying solely on government funding. Overall, Brooklyn Bridge Park is a testament to the potential of urban design to create spaces and revitalize places that are both functional and inviting, offering something for everyone, while still respecting the environment and local history. In Aotearoa, New Zealand, architecture, landscape architecture, urban design and planning challenges are compounded by the need to address our colonial legacy. Ōtautahi Christchurch's Te Papa o Takaro Avon River Precinct is a powerful example of reviving both ecological health and the indigenous narratives in a post-disaster urban environment. The precinct, which spans 2 kilometers through the central city, represents a significant effort to weave Maori culture and environmental stewardship into the urban fabric following the devastating earthquakes of 2011. The Avon River, traditionally known as Ōtakaro, holds deep significance for the local Ngaitahu iwi. Historically, it was a vital source of food and a key route for transportation and trade. In the wake of the earthquakes, the river became central to the city's reconstruction, offering an opportunity to reassert Maori identity and values in an area where they had long been overshadowed. The redevelopment of Ōtakaro River has focused on restoring its ecological health, improving water quality, and re-establishing wildlife habitats. The design includes culturally significant features, such as whāriki, welcome mats, made of stone pavers, which are based on traditional weaving patterns and convey stories of welcome and connection. Another notable installation is the Mana Motuhake Po, a pair of upright canoes that stand as symbols of Maori authority and history, directly referencing the significance of the site as a traditional canoe landing. Well-designed urban environments can have a profound impact on our well-being. They can foster community, provide relaxation spots, and connect us to our cultural roots. As we plan and design for the future, it's crucial to embrace these integrated approaches. The choices we make today will shape our cities for generations, impacting how we live, work, and interact. Study for a Bachelor of Architectural Studies at Te Haringa Waka, Victoria University of Wellington.